Please note there is a reference picture summarizing most of the video linked in the description. When using CarrotKeys, there is no visible keyboard on a screen. We type by touching anywhere on the screen. Guided help is displayed while touching. It is displayed in the center to not be obscured by fingers, and the dot represents your finger position in the invisible circle. Here is an example of basic typing. Please note that left and right side of the screen provide access to different keys. Detailed layout description follows shortly. Note how interactive help gets updated when you change cells. Cells list all the keys accessible through them. If there is a single key in a cell releasing, your finger will type that key. If there are multiple keys listed in a cell, generally the first one would be typed if we use just that cell only, like in this example, H. If we want to access further keys, we dial further, like here. Now let's look at how the main keys are laid out on the carrot slices. Notice that the top 5 cells, each first key is from the home row, and similarly for the right hand this is also the case, so you can easily type home row keys with a single swipe. Other keys accessible in those cells are those that are in the same column. We go up the column by going counterclockwise on the left hand side and clockwise on the right hand side. This is the case for all the home row key cells. And we go down in a column by using the reverse direction. Some cells that provide access to many keys behave differently. They recenter the invisible circle on the entry point, thus allowing shorter swipes. Less commonly used keys can be accessed by double tapping, and then you get different layouts again. On the left side we have mainly function keys. On the right side we have much more keys, including arrow keys with immediate access, then F keys and print screen pause keys, and also the editing keys. The top one is home, the bottom one is end, and the others are as spelled out: insert, delete, page up, page down. Now let's see how modifiers can be applied. First we get to the end of the line, and then we will select the line by using Shift and Home. We choose Home, then we go to the center to enter modifier mode, and then we choose Shift. We release and get Shift Home. We can then remove the garbage. Next, let's see how we combine multiple modifiers. We use double tap to choose arrow, then we select Shift for selection and then Control for word selection. Then we use repetition to select multiple words. Remaining keys on main slices are Escape, Space and Tab, Backspace, and Return. Minimize feature can be accessed by double tapping on left side and choosing the thick down arrow. Now we can interact with the application, as the CarrotKeys is only taking up the bottom portion of the screen. Click the bottom green bar to restore the CarrotKeys. Hope this guide was helpful and you will find CarrotKeys useful.